Jasmy in a real sense acquired roughly 4.08% inside the very most recent 24 hours in a truly significant manner. The EMA 50, in every way that really matters, is right now at $0.007, which especially is very critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin in a real sense is floating at $87,003,429, all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. Jasmy has its certainly next obstruction at $0.006 in an unpretentious manner. 09 December 2023, in this video we will sort of walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and by and large attempt to answer these habitually for the most part gotten clarification on some things, facts, what in every practical sense is in every practical sense. Transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin certainly is Jasmy a very wise venture, which generally is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. In any case, prior to plunging truly profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, sort of let us generally discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the for the most part last 24 hours, there certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters, whole digital money market to $1,642,155,706,569, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The kind of all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $68,939,985,961 in a for the most part significant manner. Bitcoin shares 52.26% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, so Bitcoin shares 52.26% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33%, which especially is genuinely huge. Which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,889.86 level after a vertical development of 1.48% in a sort of enormous manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $2,361.87 during the past 24 hours, which explicitly shows that Jasmy generally has its really next opposition at $0.006, which especially is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 68 cents, following a value change of 5.62% inside a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. BNB, the truly local coin of BNB, explicitly is up by 2.84 and presently exchanging at $241.09, showing how market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,642,155,706,569, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Furthermore, Solana came to $76.08 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 6.43% in esteem in an especially significant way. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a really descending course for genuinely present moment, so various elective digital currencies. As Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $2,361.87 during the past 24 hours, which for the most part shows that Jasmy by and large has its especially next opposition at $0.006, which basically is genuinely huge. Right now, a fundamentally broad by and large bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize really key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unobtrusive manner. Support truly is a level at which purchasers essentially become certainly more lovely dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly shows that BNB, the in every practical sense, local coin of BNB sort of is up by 2.84 and at present exchanging at $241.09, showing how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours. There especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,642,155,706,569, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which dealers certainly become move especially dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, So Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized pointers used to, in every practical sense, recognize certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. All things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin execution. The truly current Jasmy coin cost in a real sense is $0.007, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the truly beyond 24 hours, which by and large is genuinely huge. Presently, Jasmy sort of is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars. So similarly, opposition generally is a level at which vendors in a real sense become moves sort of dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So Jasmy coin backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a genuinely large manner. Jasmy coin value examination. Jasmy cost investigation for 09 December 2023 inside a truly day-to-day time span in a real sense, made sense of underneath in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize most certainly relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal intermingling and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving truly normal, EMA, to really dissect the future development of the Jasmy coin. So while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 68 cents, following a value change of 5.62% inside a similar time period, which basically is genuinely critical. The MACD line especially is remaining beneath of the for the most part signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting what in every way that really matters brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,889.86 level after a vertical development of 1.48% in a fundamentally significant manner. Jasmy coin financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the genuinely day-to-day outlined in a quite large manner especially. The very relative strength record, RSI, for Jasmy coin especially is presently drifting at 19 for 14 days kind of normal line, which certainly implies Jasmy in a real sense is in oversold zone and a pattern by and large inversion fundamentally is conceivable, showing how as of now, Jasmy in every way that really matters is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars. So similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which merchants generally become moves certainly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to essentially distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, truly